Two Toes is wound up beyond description. She's got friends over. We got company. Here we go. We're live, baby. The Sports Card Investors Mansion. We're going to start with the Bowman's Best. Let's get it. Everybody's wound up from Johnson being in the hot tub today. Everybody's wound up. You guys hear me? Hey, buddy. You're on the camera. You're on the camera.
That's all he wanted to do was see you.
He's my best buddy. He's my biggest fan.
How you doing? Good.
No, he says. Can you guys see me or what?
Buddy?
What's going on?
How are you?
What's going on? We got friends over. Two Toes is wound up. This kid's 4 years old. He's about 5'8". Empty.
I love your outfit. I love you. How do you feel?
I'm going quick, guys. I'm going to go quick. I want to make sure you make the football game. You're on TV right now. Yeah. You're on my TV channel. See? You see yourself? Everyone can see you.
Great.
It's just Armageddon for you guys, right?
Yeah. Good. I feel like all crafted.
Brian, it's Jess's best.
Hey,
Yeah, he does.
John, he wants to know if there's some American football thing on today.
Hey!
So,
We already hit a good one. For the Boston Red Sox, Tommy B.
Ryan, come here.
Gets a man after my own background. AB, baby. Auto. Bo Sox. This is great. Our kid is screaming. I'm on the camera over here. Nobody can hear me. This is wild. This is out of control. I hope you guys can see this. My kid's off the wall right now. Jess's closest childhood friend moved to Canada, and this is her son. His name is Kieran. He's a big soccer fan. Big soccer fan.
Oh my
You do?
goodness, what is that? Is that me?
Second auto for the Cubbies, Tony K.
Oh my goodness.
Ian Happ. Ian Happ. Swihart, Nelly Cruz, and Mark Appel.
Phones go with everything.
Mirror image, Blue Jays and White Sox. Going to the Blue Jays, David Price and Carlos Rodon. Eduardo Rodriguez refractor, J.P. Crawford prospect. I'll do the hockey after this, no problem.
Should mommy put that away?
Jeff, what's your password?
You gotta go.
Atomic, Tyler Kolek, and a Tyler Kolek refractor right behind it. Keuchel and Colby Allard. Hey, Colin. Wait, we got a third auto. Look at this. We got a third auto. Taylor Ward. Nice. I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got a third auto. Nah, maybe I grabbed one from the other pack. I'm sorry. Goldie refractor. Prince Fielder refractor. Dylan Tate prospect.
See, I have
Yeah.
a little handy helper here.
For the Angels. Who's got the Angels? Stevie H.
Yeah, seriously, it's that long. Seriously.
So you can see yourself on TV?
Right there. Hey! I bet you this sells great. Trout Gold, 36 out of 50. 36 out of 50. Would you mind containing our kid? Yo! Holy God.
I know you're excited. It's okay.
Trout, 36 out of 50. Good God Almighty. 36 out of 50. That's nice.
I know. She likes to do this.
Mirror image, Blue Jays and Dodgers. Going to the Blue Jays.
I know.
Tulo and Corey Seager. Our kid just woke up Richie G's wife over in Phoenixville. You think I'm kidding? He just said it.
Did you get it? Okay. Jess, what? Whose birthday balloon is this? Hers. I went to the store to buy it.
That was actually a nice crack.
Hers? Yeah. Oh, it's not hers yet. Oh, no, we're not. Oh my gosh. No, we're not missing anything.
Oh, nice. Another nice red sock. For Tommy, Rafael Devers. Nice, very nice. Rafael Devers auto. Matt Whistler refractor. Kang prospect. This is unbelievable. All right, I ain't screaming no more, Rich. Correa Jumbo. Or Burb. Thick joint. For Larry. I'm going monotone, that's it. I'm not getting fired up, nothing. James K, first impressions.
Wow.
Rusney Castillo refractor.
Where are you going to go with that?
Opening cards.
When does Sunny have a bit? When does Sunny have a bit?
She got rooms.
No.
Wow, we did get an extra auto in here. This is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 autos in this box. That's awesome. For the Miami Marlins. Josh Naylor. For Caesar. That's awesome. 5 autos. First time I've seen that. Joey Bats refractor. First time I've seen that in all the Bowman's Best we did. This is about 10 cases total. First time I've seen 5 autos. Sweet. I'm telling you right now, the free giveaway is awesome. The free giveaway is awesome. So I open the wrapper. Then I open the box. I take all the packs out. I show them the empty box. Put it down here. Do the same to this one. The Bad B promo can't be right after this, Mikey. I got to sort. I got to sort, and once I'm done sorting and I find out who didn't get hits, then I'll run the promo. I got to do a video. I got to do a random.
Are you even going to be on YouTube?
I'm on. All my videos are on YouTube. All of them, every one. Red Sox are eating right now. The Red Sox are eating. Red Sox are getting money. Red Sox are getting money right now, baby. My kid's fired up right now. Red Sox Angels mirror image going to the Angels. Trout and AB. Carlos Beltran refractor. Nick Goodwin prospect. Mad Max. Guys on the roster, I got another break lined up right after this that we're going to post. I'm running a crazy promotion. This is crazy. Jess.
Yeah.
Come on.
She's just really excited.
Well, okay, would you mind just like,
Why don't you kick around?
You
please?
guys want to go out?
Would you mind?
You want to play?
We don't have a bullpen.
Yeah. I have to go upstairs and get changed real quick.
Ian Happ, first impressions. Austin Meadows refractor.
Let's go get changed. Come on.
Guys on the roster, I got a crazy promotion called a Bad Beat Jackpot. No Orioles yet, Jeffrey. This is only our second box. Oh my God, the Red Sox are eating like I've never seen right now. The Red Sox are eating like I've never seen. You've hit every Red Sox auto. Every one, I think.
Can I help you?
Schwarbs. Guys on the roster, I got a crazy promo. It's called a Bad Beat Jackpot. I ran a bunch of mixers starting like a week ago that are going through today. Today's the last day. Louis Severino Blue, numbered to 150. Severino Blue, numbered to 150. Mirror image, Padres, Phillies. Going to the Padres. Big Game James and Aaron Nola. Carlito. Anybody that doesn't get a hit in any one of these baseball mixers, I ran a best of 2015 baseball mixer, and I ran a whole bunch of promos over this weekend. This is crazy. My whole house is wired up right now. I can't even speak without my kid yelling 2 floors up. Dogs barking, the whole 9 yards. Anyhow, anybody that doesn't get a hit in a break goes into the bad beat list. Tyler J for the Twinkies. Tyler J for the Twinkies. Who's got the Twinkies? One second here, guys. One second. The Twinkies are going to, and I'm sorry, I just had to update something. Jesse Briscoe, congratulations, Jesse. Welcome to the party. Raul Mondesi Refractor. Wow, sorry, that was a base card, Ryan Braun. The giveaway is going to be crazy. I haven't decided how I'm going to do it yet. I know all 3 things in the giveaway. I never seen a box like this with all one team. 2 boxes. Arenado and KB going to the Rockies. Arenado and KB going to the Rockies. Devin Travis Refractor. Guys on the roster, if you want to get into the next mixer, just let me know. These guys will add you to the Facebook group. Say no. We sell all of our breaks through a Facebook group. We don't have a website. We've been around for a while, though. Anytime we log on, we're always at the top of the Breakers channel. 100% legit. No need to have concerns. Hosmer Atomic. Freddie Freeman Refractor. Carson Fulmer. The next mixer, I'm thinking NT. I'm thinking triple threads. I'm thinking 5-star. And Strata. Oh, we got a redemption. The redemptions could be big. The redemptions could... Oh, red! Is that numbered to 5? Is the red numbered to 5? Is the red numbered to 5? Talk to me, baby. Sonny Gray, Oakland A's. Reds are numbered to 5? Richie? Is that confirmed for Jesse Briscoe? Congrats, Jesse. Nice hit, buddy. Nice hit. Really nice hit. Tyler Stevenson Refractor. Brendan Rodgers Prospect. Out of 5. Monster. Nice. Very nice. Congratulations. If you guys would have seen what we pulled in the last 2 days, it has been out of control. I know Sonny Gray gets no love. It's a joke because he's awesome. Mirror image for the Astros, the Tucker brothers. In 2 days, we pulled 4 Bryant autos. And we're not... Oh, there's a KB right there. And we're not one of these breakers that's breaking 20, 30, 40 cases. We pulled 4 Bryant autos in 2 days. No BS. No BS. I encourage all you guys to go and watch the YouTube videos. We have a great time. We've got a whole bunch of loyal people. We've got an awesome, awesome, awesome group of people. You guys will have a blast, I can assure you. Empty. I don't get a Griffey, I'll take a skunk. Guess what? Getting skunked in this with what? Oh, thick one. Maybe we got a booklet. Getting skunked in this with my promotion is not bad. Is not bad. I don't know either, Jeff. I mean, the list is updated up until this weekend's breaks. The bad beat list is updated until this week's breaks. I'm changing it a little bit, Hooch, from what was on the episode. I'm changing it a little bit. Piazza. Mikey Pizza. And don't tell anybody. Edwin Encarnacion. Purple to 354. Number to 354. Nolan Ryan. Jose Abreu. Gregory Polanco. Hooch, I got bad news. You're not on the skunk list anymore, buddy. Kyle Seager, number to 99 auto. I wouldn't mind having that card, to tell you the truth. He's another super underrated player. Super, super, super underrated. Davey Smiggity Smizzles. I'm not chucking it, you sicko. I'm not throwing it. I'm not throwing anything into the Christmas tree right now. Especially not in front of our friends. I don't want them to think I'm crazy. Triple relic. We're going to have a random. Mariners, White Sox, and Tigers. Mariners, White Sox, and the Tigers. We got Hooch. We got Scotty Pepperoni. And we got Brett. If he's truly my friend, he already knows I'm crazy. All I can tell you is we got a thick one in here. One time. I'm not even going to look at it. I don't even want to see it. Ah, shit. I saw the relic. Number to 99, Craig Kimbrell. Number to 99, Craig Kimbrell. Number to 99, Craig Kimbrell. Number to 354, my main man, Chipper Larry Jones. You okay, buddy? Dave Winfield, Padres. Lindor, Indians. Wow, this is a nice card. Devin Mesoraco for the Reds. For the Oakland A's, again, super underrated, Ben Zobrist. Really nice patches in there. Jesse, again, buddy. Nice job. Nice hit. No Yankees yet, Davey Smalls. I'm going to leave this right here. Ryan Zimmerman for the Nats, number to 36. Ryan Zimmerman for the Nats for Mikey Miller. For Mikey Miller. Mark, what's up, buddy? Come on, what street do you live on in Mississauga?
Turbine.
Our friends are here. They live on Turbine Street, Mark. You know where Turbine Street is?
Turbine Crescent.
Turbine Crescent. I'm sorry.
In Mississauga.
This guy lives in Mississauga. Where is that roughly?
403 and Winston Churchill.
403 and Winston Churchill. Farm Diggity Dizzog. Picking strawberries? Where are you picking strawberries?
Where does he live?
He lives in Mississauga. Where do you live, Mark? What do you live near? Farm dogs in Tampa picking strawberries. I'm up here. I had 4 feet of snow in my driveway because the wind wants to blow everything into my driveway. You understand? Come on, man. I want to hit a booklet. I'm getting aggravated. Yeah, right. East Coasters here, and this guy's picking strawberries. Nice. Farm dog, mail me some. I love strawberries. Oh, man. Around Clay Hill, Cummel, do you know where Clay Hill is?
Clay Hill and
Clay Hill and what? Look at his emoji. Dundas.
yeah,
He knows where it is.
I know the neighborhood. Not too far from me. So if he buys anything, I take it back with.
Yeah, he'll gladly take it back to you. You Darvish, 1 of 25. Nice card.
Just a case of 2-4 will do. Tell him that.
A what?
A case of 2-4. He'll know what that means.
A case of 2-4 will do, he said. Piazza, number to 250. How many spots left? I think there's 11, Mark. We got 11 spots left. Should I include the hockey in a Bad B promo? Evan Longoria. Should I include the hockey in the Bad B promo so we can get it filled? Joey Gallo and Ted Williams. Listen, Tommy, you're going to have to give some money back, Tommy. This is ridiculous. You're getting every hit. 12 of 25 for the Bo Sox. 12 of 25, Matty Barnes for the Bo Sox. Tommy, these guys are going to think we're working together, yo. Mikey Northrup says no. He wants the Bad Beat all to himself. David Wright, 10 out of 36. David Wright. David Wright for the Mets. Again, I don't even want to say his name. I don't even want to say his name. This guy's just waffling everything. Tommy B. Is James John good? Who's James John? His auto. I know very little about hockey, Mark. I know very little about hockey, Mark. We just had a bunch of guys that wanted to open it. I have no clue. It's baseball. James John. He's not in baseball. James John. No booklet, but another thick joint. Mad Bum, number to $1.25. Mad Bum, number to $1.25. Chris Sale, number to 354. Anthony Rendon for the Nats. Alex Gordon. Agon. Oh my God, we got a monster. We got a monster. This is awesome. This is sick. Throw it up. Put it on the board. Yes. Wow. I can't believe he didn't buy him neither. Oh my God, he's going to be sick. Is he in the room? He's not in the room. He's going to be sick because he buys this team in every break. He is going to be sick. He's going to vomit. He's going to vomit. He is going to vomit. Are you ready for this? Oh my God. It's one of the nicest looking cards I've ever seen. These patches are incredible. Yo, new guy mojo in my breaks is unbelievable. New dudes just waffle our breaks. Matty Siegler. Evan Longoria, 1 of 1 wood. Evan Longoria. Look at these patches. This is disgusting. This is unbelievable. Matty, congratulations, man. Is that you, Matty? Or UMS? Is that you? I didn't know it was you. I asked if you were in the break. Maddie, congratulations, brother. Boom! That is awesome. I'm in it, all right? I'm in it. Bocce's going to die. Oh my God. Bocce is going to vomit. Unbelievable. What a nice card. Oh my God, those patches are amazing. Those patches are amazing. Those are all part of his jersey. Isn't that really cool? All different colors. So the more colors that are on it, the more money that it's worth. Aaron Sanchez, 8 of 27. Aaron Sanchez, 8 of 27 for the Blue Jays. Again, who's got the Blue Jays? Z Biggity Bobo. Z Biggity Bobo. Let's get to Strata. I got to tell you the truth. You guys absolutely rock. You guys filled this entire break. I tugged a couple of people that were new, just so they knew where they could find the break. You guys are freaking awesome. You guys are awesome. I cannot thank you guys enough. What's up, Scott? Scott, we sell all of our breaks. I'm posting another baseball break. As soon as I'm finished this, I'm gonna let these guys go watch football, and I'm gonna post another break. I just gotta price it out, and as soon as I price it out, I'm posting. It'll be posted. It'll be posted within the hour for sure, 100%. Here's our 4 strata. Good luck, everybody. It's gonna be all nice stuff too, Scott. No garbage. All nice stuff. Nice card to start. And the bottom one's green. That's got to be a parallel. Go into the big Gelly. How do you say that? Gelly or Jelly? I hit 4 KBs in the last 2 days. 4 in the last 2 days. Carlos Rodon for Scotty Pepperoni. This poor kid's over here scratching his head like, you have friends called Scotty Pepperoni? Scotty Pepperoni. He loves to eat, so I call him all different food names. His real name is Scott. So like one day I call him cream cheese. One day I call him pies. I call his other friend Georgie Bacon. All righty, for the Rays again. Nice. 36 out of 75. Steven Souza, really nice patch. 1, 2, 3 breaks. 36 out of 75 for the Rays. For Maddie. Maddie's over here getting money. No. I'm from Philly. Are you? I'm definitely content now. Are you from Philly? Talk to me, baby. And the Cubbies hit. It's not KB, but it's Soler, and it's numbered to 50. It's not KB, but it's Soler, and it's numbered to 50. I pulled a lot of Bryants in this. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh! That is dirty. Look at that. That's part of the logo. Isn't that awesome? Wow. That is dirty. That's why I love this product, because it doesn't even matter that it's numbered to 50. They put the nice patches in any number. Matt, what do you mean, Matt? Don't get like that. Don't get like that. That is a gross, disgusting, sick patch. Don't get like that. Come on. Stop. Stop. That is an awesome, awesome, awesome patch. Awesome. T. Tommy. Yeah, you know what, Tommy? I'm gonna work on read the rules. What's the matter here, Tommy? Are you, last warning. Who are you, Tommy? Who are you? Who are you? You lowlife? You crumb? Who is this clown? Ban this jerk. Tell this idiot to go kick rocks. Somebody ban him. Idiot. Oh my God, we hit a monster. Oh! Boom! Boom goes the dynamite. Oh my God, Edwin's going to be sick. He's going to be sick. For probably the nice, most respectful guy in the breaks. This guy says please all the time. He says please all the time. He always says please. Doesn't care if he loses. Always says please and thank you. Jeffrey Post. Mr. Ripken. 12 out of 75. Mr. Ripken. Congrats, Jeffrey. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, man. I'm so happy for you. 12 out of 75. Very nice. You know who this guy is? He's one of the best baseball players of all time. His name's Cal Ripken Jr. Played for the Orioles. That's awesome, Scott. And I saw this one again for the Rays. They are raking. The Rays are getting money. Steven Souza. Scott, are you on Facebook? Hey, Richie G. Sticker on top, too, baby. Who would have thought the Rays? One of our guys buys the Rays in every break. Every one. Oh, man. These two guys are in every case, but what can I do? What can I do? For the Reds, Rysel Iglesias. Number to $1.25 for the Reds, Rysel Iglesias. For Coach John. Rysel, I'm not throwing it. I got friends over here. I don't want them to think I'm any crazier than I am. Rysel Iglesias for Coach John. My kid's already wound up if she sees things flying in the air. Here she comes now. Hold your ears. Cover your ears. Prince Fielder. He's in every case. It's a guarantee you get one of these relics in every case. Minimum one. Minimum. So factor that in when you're taking the Rangers in Strata. Factor that in, that you know you're going to get Prince Fielder. We should have had Jay read him his rights. Yeah, you're right. Prince Fielder. All right, last two. Yeah, he's got plenty of jersey to go around. You're right about that. He's enormous. Guys, as soon as I'm done this, I'm logging off. I'm logging off. If you guys want to get in the Facebook group, get in now. I'm posting this next break. It's going to be sick. No other breakers are doing mixers like this. Not to mention, just on the regular stuff, we have a great time. We have an awesome time. Very trusted. I got a good name. I just don't have a website. It'll be tonight, Jelly. It will be tonight, Jelly. You'll see. Get in the group, man. These guys fill stuff. They don't play around. These guys don't play around. Just because I'm not one of the bigger names that's on breakers all the time or has a website, we fill stuff every day. San Diego Padres, Mikey Miller, Big Game James. One more raisin. The guy wants another one. I love it. I love it. The guy wants another one. He hit a 101. The guy wants another one. My kid's bouncing off walls right now. She's bouncing off walls. Soft sleeves messed up. Big Game James for Mikey Miller. Nice hit. Oh, this is nice for the Dodgers. For the Dodgers. For Alfie Butts. I can't give Alfie a nickname. He's much too proper. He's an attorney. Alfie's like, he's way too high class for us. Alfie. Jock Peterson. Golden Graphs. 1 out of 20. I'm surprised Johnson hangs around with us as long as he does. 1 out of 20. Jock Peterson. Nice card. Very nice card. And his name is already. Yo, you want to hear a funny story? The first break Alfie ever got in with us. The first break Alfie ever entered with us. He went crazy. He was raking. And I wasn't drunk, but I was screaming, Alfie, butts, butts, butts. It was hilarious. Wow, this is not. Man. Yo, you owe me is all I'm going to say. You owe me. You owe me. Archie Bradley for the D-backs. Archie Bradley, Jake Harmon. Congrats, Jake. Congrats, Jake. Congrats, Jake. And again, for the Red Sox, your nickname is now Tommy Bahama. Petey Pablo. Dustin Pedroia. Unbelievable. Unbelievable the break you just had, Tommy. Unbelievable. Epic. Epic. What do you mean, Matt? Don't be that dude. That's the night where Alfie got every other hit. Every other hit Alfie got. He just waffled the entire break. All right, look. We're done here. I'm going to calculate this next break and post it. Anybody on the roster, hold on one second.